Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start the new topic, that is practical geometry. Here in this topic we will study how to draw a unique quadrilateral under different given conditions. Now, to draw a quadrilateral, 5 things are required. Either we have 4 sides and 1 diagonal given, or 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given, or we can have 2 sides, 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given, or we can have 3 sides and 2 included angles are given, or we can draw the quadrilaterals under some other special properties. So these 5 types of quadrilaterals we will study how to draw them. So in the first exercise you will be given 4 sides of a quadrilateral and a diagonal of a quadrilateral. यहाँ हमें AB दिया है गिवन 4.5, BC 5.5, CD 4 सेंटीमीटर, AD 6 सेंटीमीटर, AC 7 सेंटीमीटर. तो हम पहले एक रफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल ड्रॉ करेंगे. तो हमने एक रफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल ABCD विदाउट एनी मेजरमेंट हमने ड्रॉ कर रहा है. यहाँ रफ फिगर को ड्रॉ करते हुए ध्यान रखना है आपने कि जब आप वर्टिसेस लिखें तो एक ऑर्डर में लिखें, या तो ABCD या ABCD. ऐसा नहीं करना है A यहाँ लिखा आपने, यहाँ B लिख दिया, यहाँ C लिख दिया और यहाँ D. ऑर्डर में चलेगा, जहाँ से भी वो चलेगा. चाहे यहाँ से आप स्टार्ट करिए ABCD या ABCD या ABCD या ऐसे क्लॉकवाइज. तो जो भी हमें डायमेंशंस गिवन है उसे हमने इस रफ फिगर में पहले लिख लिया है. अब इसको देखकर हम फेयर फिगर ड्रॉ करेंगे. तो यहाँ इस केस में हम इस से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं कि हम पहले डायगोनल AC ड्रॉ कर लें. आप वैसे किसी भी साइड को ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं पहले, और फिर ये आप बाकी साइड्स बाद में ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. तो इस क्वाड्रिलेटरल को ड्रॉ करने के कई तरीके हैं, पर हम यहाँ अब स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं कि फर्स्ट वी विल ड्रॉ AC. AC is 7 centimeter. So with the help of your scale, draw a line segment of 7 centimeter. This is AC. This is of 7 centimeter. Then from A to D we have 6 centimeter. So in our compass we will take a radius of 6 centimeter, and then with A as center draw an arc. Draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter. From C to D it is 4 centimeter. So now take the radius of 4 centimeter in your compass and put your compass at C and draw an arc intersecting this previous arc at the point D. This is point D. Now join these points A with D. एक्यूरेटली ड्रॉ करना है आपने. जहां आपका पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन आया आर्क्स का, एग्जैक्टली उसी पॉइंट से आपने ज्वाइन करना है. और शार्प पेंसिल का यूज़ करिए, फिगर नीट ड्रॉ करेंगे. देन A to B is 4.5 centimeter. So now take the radius of 4.5 centimeter in your compass, and from A From A, draw an arc. And from C to B, it is 5.5 centimeter. So measure 5.5 centimeter in your compass. And from C, draw this arc. Then join the points. So this is our required quadrilateral. This point is B. AD is 6 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter. Now steps of construction. सबसे पहले हमने AC ड्रॉ किया था. So the first step is draw AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Second step is with A as center, draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter. Third step is with C as center, draw an arc of radius 4 centimeter intersecting the arc of step 2 at D. Next step is with A as center and radius 4.5 centimeter, draw an arc below AC. And with C as center and radius 5.5 centimeter, draw an arc below AC to intersect the arc of step 4 at B. Then last step is join AD, CD, AB and BC. Another question. Question second part is similar. Quadrilateral you have to draw. Then we will do the third part, that is you have to draw the parallelogram more with dimensions. OR is 6 centimeter, RA is 4.5 centimeter, EO is 7.5 centimeter. Here it is a parallelogram. MORE. Here OR is 6 centimeter, RE is 4.5 centimeter, EO, this diagonal, is 7.5 centimeter, and these two are not given. Here only 3 side parts are given because it is a parallelogram and we know that the opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. That's why they have not given the this side MO and EM. So you have to write, since opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, therefore MO is equal to ER, that is 4.5 centimeter, and EM equal RO, that is 6 centimeter. So this is 4.5 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. Now we will draw it. You can start with the same way, or by taking this MO as the first side, or you can start with EO. If you start with EO, EO is 7.5 centimeter. So here we draw a line segment of 7.5 centimeter, that is EO. From E we have to draw 4.5 centimeter. So measure 4.5 centimeter and draw an arc. From O to R 6 centimeter. So measure 6 centimeter and from O draw an arc. This E to M is 6 centimeter again. So from here draw an arc. From O to M we have 4.5 centimeter. So from O to M draw this 4.5 centimeter. Then join them. And mark the sides given, that is 7.5 centimeter. ER is 4.5 centimeter. OR is 6 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter. And this point is M. Now the first step is draw EO 7 centimeter. Draw EO 7.5 centimeter. Then you, with E and O as center, with E and O as center and radii 4.5 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively, draw arcs intersecting each other at, again with E and O as center and radius as 6 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter, draw arcs below EO to intersect each other at M. And the last step is join ER, OR, EM and MO. That's all for today. Thank you.